sounds.
Hello my friends and fellow YouTubers, this is Ryan2Gamer here, and today we are doing Cooking with Ryan Part 2. Yes, that's right, I know I failed last time, but this time I have something amazing for you. We are making the one, the only, Taco Bell's Crunch Wraps. Yes, that's right. I experimented and I started to make my own and I succeeded and I did really good, so I want to share with you guys on how to make a perfect Taco Bell Crunch Wrap. So with that out of the way, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to make all the ingredients. The first thing we need is a good size tortilla. So we put the tortillas down right here on our plate, and then the next step is we need to we need to put down the meat. Okay, so the next step we need to put down the meat. This is ground turkey that I ground it up, and the next we need to put it in the middle of the tortilla, kind of even it out. And then the next step is we want to take we have some nacho cheese, and we want to put it on the meat like this. Kind of space it out a little bit, even it out. Okay, now we got that done. The next step is we want to take a corn tortilla like this, and we want to put it on the top of the meat right here. And the next step is we want to take the sour cream and we put it on top of the corn tortilla like that. Put enough so you can space it out, make it even. Okay, so the next step is the cheese or the lettuce. The next step is the lettuce, and you kind of want to put it on top of the sour cream like that, and then the cheese, we want to put the cheese on last. Oh wait, no, last. The sauce. Okay, so we want to put the cheese on like that, and we want to put the sauce on next. Kind of just a little bit will do. That should be enough. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to take another tortilla. Huh?
It's already wrapped right there.
Okay, so we want to put this, and again, I want to tell you, I want to thank my camera crew, Lucy, for helping out. She's doing a very good job for her first time. Thank you very much. And with that out of the way, we will take a little piece. I think that's enough. I'm not sure. Okay, so that should be enough. We put this on here like this, and we kind of like make it where we like tuck it, I guess. And we turn all the sides in like that. And then our next thing is I'm going to go over there and I'm going to start cooking it. I'm going to put the butter in, and then once the butter's in, I'm going to set it on the stove and start grilling it. And I will be back after that, and you will see the finished product. Okay, so I've cooked it. It's in the pan right now. It looks really good. It's nice and golden brown. I'm going to take it out and show you exactly what it's looking like right now. Look at that golden beauty. That is so, so perfect. So I'm going to let it cool down, and then I will be right back, and I will test it right in front of you. I cannot wait. This looks so good.
Are you tired of sitting on your couch and hearing constant car crashes? Are you tired of the traffic going up and down your street every day? Then we have the product for you. The first ever air horn that drowns out every other sound but its own. Order today, only $9,000.
Okay, hello, we're back, and we got the finished product here. It looks nice and golden brown. It looks beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to dig in and see how this is. So, let's just do that. So, that is really good. Look at that. That is delicious. It tastes just like, even better than the Taco Bell one. It's so good. You're gonna have to try this at your own place, because this is phenomenal. This is absolutely good. That is amazing. So that was my crunch wrap from Taco Bell. We made it at home. We made our own, and it was phenomenal. Again, I'd like to thank Lucy for the camera crew. She did a phenomenal job, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Like always, remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!